In this video, I'm going to be introducing our flexible shaft holder. The flexible shaft holder has a huge advantage in that when you've finished using your dirty flex shaft and it's covered in sewage, you don't want to be messing that on your customer's carpet on your way out. So you can put it inside this nifty little shaft holder, which is completely sealed, and carry it with confidence. Now, it's made from industrial grade plastic, so it's not only lightweight, it is very strong. It is only 47 centimeters in diameter, which is 18.5 inches. So it's nice and compact, it fits into your van easily, and it's stackable, which means you can have multiple flexible shafts and stack them on top of each other. It doesn't take up much space. Nice advantage is that whilst you're carrying it, you've got your flex shaft stored inside. You can also put all your tools and gear in and just carry them all with one hand. So we recommend that you always keep your flexible shaft unwound as much as possible. The reason for this is that when a flexible shaft is tightly wound up, it has more areas along the surface that are touching against the sleeve. And even if you've lubricated your shaft very well, that means that there's more friction build-up within the shaft whilst it's operating. So for this reason, we recommend that you try to take out as much of that shaft, coil it around your shaft holder when you're operating it. Having said that, this shaft holder will be able to manage a total of 30 meters or 98 feet of the 6mm shaft, which is a 1/4 inch. It would do the same for an 8mm shaft, which is a 5/16 inch, and for a 10mm shaft, which is your 3/8 of an inch, we recommend only 20 meters, which is 65 feet. For your 12mm, which is your 1/2 inch shaft, there we're only going to suggest a maximum of 50 feet, which is 15 meters. To put your shaft into your shaft holder, it's relatively simple. You take off your protective sleeve bearing like that. You thread it through like that and replace your sleeve bearing by twisting it back into position like that. And then you fill it like this. Done. So now you're ready for some flex shaft action. You have your superhero gear to go out there and keep civilization free from disease. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for everything you do for us. Take care. Ciao.